Hi guys, I am BS Squad. I welcome to all of you in my channel Learning India. Today I am going to teach basic grammar. Please listen carefully. Grammar. G-R-E. Definition. Very short sentence. Definition of grammar. Grammar is the key of language. व्याकरण भाषा की कुंजी है. इसमें हम वह चीज़ पढ़ते हैं कि किस ढंग से इसको हमने भाषा को फॉलो करना है. नाउ वी कम हाउ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ लेटर्स. देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ लेटर्स, vowels and consonants. Vowels A, E, I, O and U. Consonant B, H, G, K. Definition of vowels. The letter of a vowels which can sound by itself without helping any words, any or letters. Consonant. Consonant is a letter which cannot sound by itself without the help of vowels. Vowels is very important for English language. Now you study come kinds. No, please, I am talking subject and predicate. This is the parts of sentence. There are two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. Definition of the subject. Subject is a word which says something about. Subject is a word which says something about. In Hindi, Uday and Viday. Uday and Viday. Predicate. Predicate is the part of sentence which says something about the subject. Predicate. Predicate is the part of sentence which says something about the subject. Now you please come kinds of sentence. There are many kinds of sentence, particularly 3, 4 is very important. Number 1, affirmative. Number 2, interrogative. Number 3, negative. Number 4, imperative. Also now you can write conditional also. Okay, parts of sentence you already did. 2 types of parts, subject and predicate. Kinds of sentence, affirmative, interrogative, negative, imperative, conditional. स्वीकारात्मक and affirmative, interrogative, negative, imperative and conditional. In Hindi, स्वीकारात्मक, प्रश्नवाचक, नकारात्मक, आदेश and शर्तानुसार. Suppose if you want to change sentence in the word to word, sentence to sentence, affirmative. For example, I am going, that is the simple sentence. When you are going to interrogative, am I going to? Negative, I am not going. I am not going. Please go there, come here. Oh, this is the imperative sentence. Conditional, if you come my house, I will help you. I will help you. So please guys, these are the a little bit portions of the grammar, and I come to the point of some tips of spoken. Spoken is, you don't follow this every rule, but this follow for you only your knowledge of grammar. I am talking as first time helping verb. How many kinds of helping verb? There are many kinds of helping verb. Is, are, am, was, were, do, does, did. This is the helping verb. And also is now they are coming modal verbs. Can, could, may, might, would, should, have to, has to. So please, I am going to talk also here forms of the verb. This is the very important chapter, forms of the verbs. There are three types of verb forms: present, past, participle, and also you must be taught es form, ing form. For example, I am talking to you. I go, I went, I have gone. If you want to talk in interrogative, so please you have to talk. Do I go? Do I go? Did I go? Have I gone? This everything is the basic course of the grammar, and I request to all of you, you have to learn at least 10 words of verb form. Every day please 10 words of the form of the verb forms you have to learn every day. And how do you use this everything in your sentence? I am telling to you, please you listen as first time. I go, I am going, I have gone, I have been going. Question mark, you are going to talking. Do I go? Did I go? Have I gone? Have I been going? And I am going to revision more. Grammar is the key of the language. Vowels A, E, I, O, U and consonant V, H, G, K, etc. There are two parts of sentence please: subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Kinds of sentence: affirmative sentence, interrogative sentence, negative sentence, imperative sentence, and conditional sentence. Form of the verb. I will teach the form of the verb tomorrow, third day, but you have to listen. There are 5 forms of the verb: present, past, participle, ing form, es form. For example, go, went, gone, goes, going. Eat, ate, eating, eats. Play, played, played, plays, playing. Jump, 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 jumped, jumping, jumps, and jumping. So dear guys, you should know very well in portion of grammar from the starting. This is the basic course properly, and after this course is going to finish, you have to learn parts of sentence. How many parts of a sentence do you know? There are 8 parts of sentence: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Today this grammar portion is okay. I am going to some tips of speaking. Please every day how to speak English. Introduction. Suppose you are going to introduction with anybody. How can you speak introduction? This lesson will come next day, and introduction very important for each guys, each people, each student. You never say myself. You never say myself. You directly told my name is. Many students telling myself, that is not good. So please, today is that is the simple basic code, and you have to learn every day 10 verbs form and use your own sentence. In this way, I think you will be able to speak English fluently because of these basic tips. I have seen many students, they can speak English very good fluently, but they are going to lot of mistake in the sentence. But they never use the form of the verb do and does. That's why their English is very good speaking, I know, but their sentence is going totally wrong. So please, I request you to all of you, my dear guys, you have to hard work for your future life and always keep smiling. Always you have to laugh. Okay, understood. The life is, you have to laugh every day. Your body language, everything must be, especially, particularly I am telling to those students who read English medium school. Please, you don't use Hindi word. And if you want to learn dictionary, that must be English to English. That must be English to English. Thank you very much, my dear guys. Welcome to you. Bye bye.